Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to start, stop, or restart ActiveX Installer in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to start, stop, or restart ActiveX Installer services in Windows 10 PC or laptop, so very easy. First, click on Start, type here services. Click on Services. And here option ActiveX Installer. So right click on Start. If you want to restart, so again right click on restart. And if you want to stop, so right click on stop. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to start, stop, or restart ActiveX Installer in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update. And please comment this video useful or not. Thank you for watching.